Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It is Friday. Happy Friday, guys, the 16th of April. This is our weekly recap. It goes out to all my members as well as people on my email list and follow me on YouTube. If you want to learn more about me, there's a link to my website in the description below, smartoptiontrading.com. Come visit us. We have live trade alerts. We run private Twitter feed, a Discord server, and a Zoom room. Very active community. Love to have you guys all. Okay, let's talk about this week. And let's just start with the SPY here. The SPY here right now with 35, 40 minutes to go to the end of the day, we're at all-time highs. The SPY has been nothing short of relentless. You can see here since back on the 26th, we retook the 8-day, and now we're just levitating and getting very extended here and very hot here in the markets, but the market doesn't care. This week has not been easy. It's been a very low volume week, grinding type action. It was all about being in the right names, and the markets just continue to grind up. If you look at what else is going on, the QQQs also today all-time highs. It's been a much more volatile week here in the Qs. It's just pushed up, not as easy. The diamonds, 30 stocks, all-time highs here as well. The IWM continues to be the laggard, but back over all the moving averages. The VIX down here, left for dead, filled the gap from back in last February through when it gapped up. What else, guys, is going on? The XLF had another strong week, all-time highs today off of great bank earnings. You have energy holding in, going sideways, and it's been a very, very mixed market here this week. It's really been about names, and I haven't traded a ton this week, but what I've traded has mostly worked. So when you look at what's going on, you go back to Monday. I tried Micron, had a nice quick trade on Micron on Monday. We were looking for that push up and move to 100. It failed again, made some money, got out in time, couldn't get to the all-time high at 97.50, and then it has rolled over and has come down and hasn't quite finished filling this gap here as it goes sideways. It was a tough week in the semis. Taiwan Semi had earnings. They were great, not enough. What was great this week was NVIDIA. NVIDIA had an explosive week off of their investor event. Big push up and all the way to new all-time highs up here at 648. AMD gave us a nice trade yesterday. That woke up. This thing looked like death, smothered in puts on the close on Wednesday, gaps up on a initiation as a buy at Raymond James, and flow all over it and off to the races yesterday, inside day, back on the 200-day here. We'll see what this wants to do. Intel also got beaten up in this process with the NVIDIA news. What else, guys, going on? Apple gave some trades this week, but it has a wall right now at the 135 area. So that's the area it has to break as we're heading towards an event next week on Tuesday, the 20th. Snap gave some trades this week. Nice move there, but couldn't hold it. RBLX gave a nice day. Another one couldn't hold it. So did AI. So they were rotating in and out of names all week. Different things going on here. Today, I traded Alcoa. Had a nice trade on Alcoa, closing up strong. What else did I trade today, guys? Target made some money there. And then Clove was insane today. Flow all over this thing. You see this candle. That is a volume candle there that is about 1,700% above normal. A massive move there, but it can't hold it. So, we'll see how this plays out. Bottom line, as we go into next week, earnings season's really kicking the high gear. We've had the banks this week. Next week, we get our first look at tech names like Netflix and Intel and Lam Research are in there. I got Coke right off the bat early on Monday morning. Got airlines. So we're going to get our big look, and then the following week, the week of the 26th, is when we really see a lot of the big tech names start to kick in. So overall, the market's holding in. Is it extended? Absolutely. Is it hot? Big time. Does that mean it has to come in? The answer is no. What they're doing right now is they're using several big names like Microsoft here, hit an all-time high today. Google yesterday hit an all-time high. They're rotating in and out of names and, moving things around. They're keeping the markets up with rapid rotation among names. And this can go on longer than you can possibly imagine. Point is, you want to get bearish on this market. Yep, we all feel that way, but until the SPY, we get some real selling pressure, and there's no selling pressure up here, you're just putting money away. What I can recommend, if you'd like, have a small hedge. I have a hedge in place with VXX call spread out in June. I wish you guys the best. I hope everybody has a great weekend and stays safe, and we'll get at this again on Monday, charts on Sunday.